Okay, right now, the second step after you is we're going to be putting the antenna and the module in. It's a Verizon wireless module, comes like this. Alright, there's your antenna, okay? And then here's your module. This is for the brain. This is what transmits signals, and this is the SIM cards incorporated in here through Verizon. And what's really important are these screws. This grounds this out. Without putting this and this, the washers on there, you're going to have a lot of issues. So make sure you take your time and do not lose anything here, okay? So on the side you'll see a little tab. You just lift up on it. You slide the little RF through here. I usually take the battery out because it always gives me trouble. I usually take the battery out, it's really easy. Slide it through like that. It's a lot quicker than trying to feed it around the battery. Then you can put the battery back in there like that, okay? And all this does is that you slide it right in here. Okay, and then you put this little flap right back down. And you go from the top down. There you go. There we go. Okay, now this is going to end up going on here. Okay, so just put that to the side. See this? The prongs go right in here. Take your time. You don't want to be off a row, okay? And you really can't mess this up because this goal has to touch here. But there's two holes right here that go right here. So if you line that up first and then drop it down in, there you go. Snaps right into play. Okay? And now you take your little washer, you put this through. One side down. There you have it. This goes right on here. You'll hear it click in. There it goes. And this wire can go basically anywhere you want. Just push it down like that. And now the module's in. This comes out right here. If you're putting in a secondary touchscreen keypad or a motion with a camera in it, before you power anything on, this slides right out, and then you'll put in one with a little funny looking antenna that comes out right into this area right here, okay? Again, this is your battery. If you ever do this, make sure that this battery is unplugged and the power supply is off when you change this out, or you'll blow that and you'll have to spend another 28 bucks to get another one, okay? But that is that. You can mount it on a wall, or you can get a little desktop stand. A lot of people like the desktop stands because they like it by their bedside at night, so they don't have to walk past the intruder to hit the emergency button if somebody's there. Alright, so now it's plugged in, the SIM card's in.